Hello, and a very warm Christmas to you. As we reach Christmas, many of us do so carrying more than we expected. This year has brought real challenges, bereavements that still ache, health worries that haven't gone away, rising costs that have caused anxiety, and changes in our communities, our country, and the world that have felt unsettling or painful for some. For some, Christmas arrives with joy. For others, it comes with exhaustion, sadness, or a sense of uncertainty about what lies ahead. And that's precisely why Christmas matters. Christmas doesn't begin with everything neatly resolved. It begins in the middle of difficulty. A young couple far from home, no room at the inn. A baby born into vulnerability, not comfort. Into that fragile moment comes the extraordinary promise at the heart of our faith. God is with us. The angels bring their message not to the powerful, but to the shepherds, ordinary people working through the night, doing their best to get by. And they say, do not be afraid. To you is born this day a saviour, not a distant God, not a quick fix, but a presence. God's choosing to be alongside us. This Christmas, God does not ask us to pretend everything is fine. Instead, God meets us exactly where we are, in the grief we still carry, in the worries that keep us awake, in the quiet moments when the house feels emptier than it once did. So my prayer for you this Christmas is simple, that you may know you are not alone, that the light of Christ may shine gently into whatever you are facing, and that even in this difficult season, you may discover hope, not because everything has changed, but because God has come near. From all of us here, may you know the peace of Christ, the comfort of his presence, and the hope of new beginnings. A very happy and blessed Christmas to you all.